how to fix TikTok not letting you log in on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok not letting you log in on PC. So now, without further ado, let's get started. But before trying anything, it's important to understand what might be causing the issues. So first, make sure that you have stable internet connection because without a proper internet connection, it will not let you to join or log in on TikTok. And with that, you can try clearing your browser cache because corrupted cache files can stop TikTok from loading or logging in correctly. And with that being said, if the issues is still isn't fixed, then what you can do is simply open the browser on your laptop. And now here, once you're inside the browser, then what you can do is simply click on the search bar and simply type TikTok report a problem and simply search for it. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the support page. Now here in this section, you can simply select the topic for you and after that you can simply enter your username, your contact emails, and with that being said, you can simply add the details about your problem having a login issues and TikTok. And with that, you can also upload photos or videos which you have taken a screenshots or screen recording. And from there, you can simply check both boxes. And once you're done with that, you can simply click on submit. And here, once you submit this, then TikTok support team will receive your report and they will review it and try to fix the issues as soon as possible. And in most cases, the problems get resolved shortly after. And that's it. That's how you can fix the TikTok login problem in PC. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.